I'm not sure if you guys heard, but Jerome Powell came out to say in the last meeting that interest rates are going to start coming down most likely by the time that they meet in this month of September. Now, they don't know if it's going to come down 1/4% or 0.5%. That is still speculation. But the reality is that he already told us the rates are going to start coming down to stimulate the economy a little bit more. But the reality is, if you're looking to buy a property and you're waiting for the rates to continue to come down, you're going to be in a disadvantageous position. Because today we have about 4.5 months of inventory left for single family and townhomes, which we should have around 6 months. So we're still a little bit shy on that. But if you're looking to purchase a condo, we have plenty of those. There's about a little bit over 8 months of inventory left in condos in Miami-Dade County, which gives you more options to choose from, more leverage in the negotiation, and you can even get credits or money up front for you to do an interest rate buy down to get an even better rate and better price on the property. So if you're looking to buy a property and you have the credit score, the savings, and the tax returns to buy today, I highly recommend you speak to a lender, get yourself pre-qualified, speak to a buyer's agent that you trust, and start looking at properties, because when the rates do come down, it's going to be survival of the fittest, and it's going to get crazy again, and prices are going to shoot right back up. Don't wait, be proactive, be smart, and try to get your property before everybody else jumps into the market as well. Want to know how to get started? All you got to do is send me a message. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.